Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to a Sunday Funday layout. I'm going to do a 2-page layout. That's right. 2 of them. It just seems to be fun, right? We have 10 photos here of the scenic route that we drove. So it was like scenic byway something in South Dakota. So this was a fun little waterfall that was created. This was just a fun little river that they called the Devil's Hot Tub. Again, the Devil's Hot Tub. This was a waterfall. It's my husband. We were smoking a cigarette before we walked over into the crowd. That's me. That's the highway. Each direction. Little chipmunk squirrely friend, right? And then more of the scenic. So pay no mind to what I've got on the back because we're doing this on a different day. From my container that I've been pulling things out of different areas as I see them. And like I said, I go through it before each layout. I pulled the Watch the Sunrise. Today's activity is a walk in the park, scenic area, some mountains. This says full service for like gas, like a road trip, little route. Speed limit is 55. Travel new roads, tree. A cute little VW bug, a gold heart, and then the scenic route. So we've got those. So we're going to put right over there. And then I've pulled in the Trail of Silence by Craft a Clock. So we've got cut aparts galore. So I'm going to have to go in there and cut some of these out for what I want to use. We're going to mat all those photos in this fun little wood grain. May not need all of those, but... And then I've got these sheets here that we're going to use to make our layout. Okay, so you're like, how are you going to get a double page out of 2? And I'm like, I know. So let's cut this real quick like. Make this 12. So cut that branding strip off. And then we're going to go 6. Right down the middle. Okay. And I'm going to cut the branding strip off of this. And the branding strip off of this. Okay. Oh, monkey. All right. Well, now we're going to have to even that out, so. Actually, that worked out pretty well. I felt like I cut that crooked, and I'm pretty sure I did. So what? Oh, there you go. That's why. Didn't have it fully extended. So what are we going to have to take that down? It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. All right. So then this one. All right. I'm going to trim these photos down, get them matted so I can figure out how wide I need my base. And I'll come back and I'll show you what I'm thinking. But basically, this is going to be the bottom, which is going to sit down here-ish. And then this is going to go on either side. And that's going to be our 12 by 12. But it will make more sense once I'm able to put it together. So give me a minute to do some trimming and some taping of these, and we'll be right back. So here's page 1. I'm going to show you how I got to this because it did take me a bit of time. But we've got 5 photos and then we'll have 5 photos. So I had a totally different photo configuration, but I had to pivot, see, because I needed only 4 photos to be portrait. The rest were supposed to be landscape. Yep. And I cut them all portrait. Go me. Okay, so how I got here was I just cut two of the papers into 6x6, which there's your 12, right? But then I cut one of the papers and used washi. So I just got this, what, roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 7 and 5. And then this is going to sit like this. So we're going to flip it over. And this is really high tech how I did this. I lined it up, squished it together, and stuck a piece of washi on it. Then I took rando bit here of stash paper. I came in and I just went down just 1/4 of an inch, if not less, 1/8 of an inch, and sealed everything together. And now we have a 12 by 12. Okay. And then to cover that seam, I just took some blue washi, because it wasn't like, you know, there was a little bit of a gap because of what I got going on. I just folded that over, and voila. We'll put this photo here, and then this photo. And we'll do that like that. And then I've got to figure out where everything else is going. So we're about right here. Probably need to bring that over a little bit. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. We're just going to bring that over. And we're going to make it all work. And we're just, I'm eyeballing it, you guys. Total eyeball. And this is going to sit right there. But, no, still got 5 layouts, 5 photos on each page. So, all right. And this was all inspired by a sketch. Okay, what am I got? But, as I screwed it up, it is what it is now. But it was by Michelle Van Wyk from 2024, day 19 from Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. I seen it and I really wanted to try that one out. So I don't want this one. Yes, probably do. We'll see if I can get anything. So I'm going to go through all of this stuff, figure out what I can cut out, what I want to cut out. I want these 2 things while I'm talking to you guys. I seen them and I wanted them. I seen it on the front cover. That's why I actually opened it up, was to see if I had any of these. So we've got those. It's always fun to see what's all in here, even though sometimes I may not actually use all of it, right? All right, so I'm going to continue to go through that, figure out what I want to pull, what I'm not going to pull, fussy cut some stuff, and I'll come back and, you know, do the fun layouts with you, put everything on here in a minute. All right. So this is the first page of the double page, and I've got just some things going on, and then now we need to add a few more pieces. So I don't really want to put the watch the sunrise, because this is not a sunrise, right? But I do like this little piece, which we're going to stick right there. And this one, I'll tuck the base of the globe in. Okay. I'm pretty sure this little bug's a sticker. I was right. And just stick him down in that cluster. And then this guy, which, yes, I tore that off because we're gonna make it work for us. Might hold on to that piece. Let's see. I think those are all, they're all stickers. That's fun. So speed limit 55. We're just gonna stick that in there. Now let's go to the second page, add a couple of these other things as well. Come on. So if I want to do a little bit of journaling, I can do it there. I don't even know where I got some of these. But isn't that smashing that they're all like little bitty? Whoa. That was not straight at all. Okay. I'm just going to trim that. I do want to get these boots on here. Okay. Although, and I'm not popping any of this up on foam. I'm okay with that, all the dimension right now. Let's see. Let's tuck in a tree there. We're going to kind of tuck a tree in there. I do want to add gold around. And then we'll put the little scenic route right here. And this says scenic area. Let's just tuck that right there. Put a little tree. And then I think we'll put a tree over here for good measure. Okay, and then this is just a very thin piece of, I don't even know what you would call that. That's like thinner than copy paper. Just gonna put today's activities. One of those little guys there. Let's go back over here. And add a few. Okay, and I actually think I'm going to put the watch the sunrise back, but I think that's going to do it. Everything else. Only thing that I had left that I pulled was the trees that I didn't fussy cut because, well, that would be crazy too much, right? So here is our 2-page layout, and I think it looks really, really cute. So I'm glad that I got to use the sketch. It did make things easier, even though I messed it up and totally cut all my photos wrong. I still got 10 photos on 2 pages, so that is exciting. This is going to bother me, so we're just going to put a little bit of glue. Give it a little hold. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.